Cordial greeting, tutor. My name is Alexandra Rodriguez. This is my routine. I am 27 years old. Was born in the department of Casanare, and at the moment I am living in Chipaque, Cundinamarca. I picked out studying in the university the career of licentiate in foreign language with emphasis in English. I have two children of 2 months and 4-year-olds. I like to share with my children and my husband. The place where I live is very quiet, where I can tour of observe the beautiful landscapes that this place has. I live in an open place. I have 2 garden and many animals, including cats, dogs, chicken, hens, rabbits, goats, and cows. The chicken come about at 7 o'clock to give them their food at 4 o'clock. The hen come around to receive again their food again. This area the people are very kind and generous. On weekend I usually put up my plan to visit my mother to share a lunch. I have 12 siblings, but with each other very little because they live far away. I get up every day at 7 o'clock and brush my teeth. Then I prepare breakfast for my family. Then I take a shower and organize my children. I got up and water my garden, so it stays very loose. Then I make up lunch and then I sit down, take a break. Usually in the afternoon I dedicate in little time to don't abandon my studies. From 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock I watch TV, and then I organize my children to go to bed. On Tuesday I take my daughter to a family welfare program with share with other children, and I have to pick her up to noon. From time I like to practice English vocabulary to improve it myself. This is my routine throughout today. These are some of the aims of me performing my routines. I like to share with my family, where it's in my garden, other preparing lunch, and finally and down university works. Thank you.